Not all attorneys are created equal, and today I'm meeting Alan R. Silverman of the firm Silverman & Silverman Attorneys at Law. He's actually one of the few practicing family lawyers who also has a doctorate in psychology. It's pretty cool. Hi Alan, I'm Crystal.
Alan Silverman, hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So what do you do?
I'm a family law attorney. I am a partner in the firm of Silverman & Silverman Attorneys at Law, along with my law partner and wife, Claudia Bravo Silverman. We practice primarily in Carlsbad, which is in North San Diego County, and we have an office in San Francisco in the Inner Sunset.
What's your background? How did you find family law?
I was a mental health professional for many years, and for the last 5 years I've been a super lawyer, which puts me in the top 5% of all lawyers in Northern California. I received a PhD in counseling psychology and worked as a clinical psychologist for the states of Colorado and Wyoming and as a family therapist. I was licensed as a marriage, child, and family therapist in California for about 12 years before becoming an attorney. I was never licensed in California as a psychologist, and I'm not currently licensed as a psychologist or therapist anywhere right now, but I do use the expertise I received from my training and my work with children and families to be able to help my family law practice even up to this day.
So you didn't find family law so much as family law found you?
I knew that family law was where I wanted to be because there's a overlap between psychology and family law. In psychology, you're trying to have people cooperate, improve their lives. In family law, you can take a more direct approach to be able to get the results that you want. And I found that my personality was just better suited to family law.
So what areas do you practice?
We do mediation of high conflict custody cases usually, but also cases where there are no children involved. Also private judging, where parties want to opt out of the public court system and be able to get a more specialized, intensive type of treatment from the court. I would serve as a private judge, particularly on issues involving custody and visitation. And we do a lot of litigation. We represent clients where there is often personality disorders by one of the parents. I try a lot of cases, and that is because our clients expect a certain outcome, and we want to be able to meet their expectation, have them feel that we properly represented them, that we have stood behind them, we've asserted what they want, but all at the same time trying to settle, trying to resolve things, and being able to reduce the conflict and the adversarial level of the case. Because I think particularly with children, it's the conflict and the parents arguing with each other. And children know about it. They can say, well, we've shielded the children from the case. But that, they know that they're transferring back and forth. And if the parents are not at ease with each other, if the parents are using the child in the case, it becomes apparent to them the children become the subjects of a great deal of anxiety and stress. They develop symptoms, and it's a difficult time. My objective is to be able to minimize the effect of the divorce on the children.
The child doesn't have resources, is vulnerable, but you're stepping in and making sure that the child's needs are upheld.
Right. In some cases, attorneys are appointed for the child. I've worked as minors counsel in these types of cases, and I have advocated on behalf of the children.
How important is mediation?
A mediated settlement is a settlement that both parties can believe in. It's a settlement that has a more enduring quality, and to my mind is much better than a judge telling someone, you won, you lost, you better like what's happening and you better do this, because all that's going to do is further the conflict, and I believe that the conflict is the biggest issue with families. You leave a little bit on the table and you walk away feeling a little unfulfilled, but you did the right thing.
Well, Alan, your story is just so inspiring on many levels. Just your educational background, your transition to law school, being an entrepreneur, opening up a practice with your wife, and of course being a hero, because that's exactly what you are for families. Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciated it. If you're seeking a family law attorney, Alan R. Silverman's qualifications and the firm's info is available at familylegalhelp.com. Silverman & Silverman Attorneys at Law look forward to hearing from you.